Kethi has opted for the corridors of justice to fight for her inclusion in the Makueni Senate list of candidates with just 11 days to the ballot. Her legal team, led by Julie Soweto, filed a petition before Justice Isaac Lenaola of the High Court's Constitutional and Human Rights Division, seeking to quash a decision of the IEBC Disputes Resolution Tribunal that revoked her nomination certificate after declaring her an unregistered voter. The petition, filed under a certificate of urgency, has 10 prayers, among them the court's declaration that she was a duly registered voter and that she was validly cleared as the Wiper Democratic Party's candidate in the Senate contest.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much.
Justice Lenaola directed Kethi's legal team to serve IEBC with the petition documents, and all parties returned to court Thursday for the hearing. But as Kethi turned to the judiciary for assistance,
Hey, sit here.
Remarks of her party boss Kalonzo Musyoka, and by extension the Coalition for Reforms and Democracy CORD, has stung the Jubilee Alliance. Senators drawn from the president's coalition, angered by Musyoka's claim that Kethi was being persecuted for declining to vie on a Jubilee ticket.
TNA must have tampered with the voter register, hence deleting Kethi's name. I can tell you I'm very angry myself. And may God forgive me for being so angry.
Instead of saying he's very angry, I don't know, angry with who? He should have apologized to Kenyans and to Kethi for really misleading a young, promising lady who had a bright future and putting a cloud over her. He should have known better.
Kethi Kilonzo became a victim of intimidation, harassment, coercion from within their own coalition in a desperate move to ensure that the CORD coalition win the Makueni elections.
The CORD team had alleged that the electoral body was joined at the hip with the ruling coalition and pointed out that it could not be trusted to fairly oversee the 2017 general election.
So I cannot imagine in 2017, in August 2017, having this same body conduct an election. Therefore, we're actually serving them notice.
Reforms cannot mean that a certain party or a certain person must win. Are we going to remove every institution until Raila wins?
CORD also wondered how the National Alliance TNA discovered anomalies in Kethi's registration details and claimed that it was a well-choreographed plan to block her from succeeding her father.
In law, there is an offense called handling stolen property. So the onus of proof in terms of how IEBC electoral materials disappeared from the registry is not on TNA. It is not on even IEBC. It is on the persons who were found in possession of stolen property.
In the meantime, the Wiper Party has written to IEBC seeking a series of documents used to register voters ahead of the last general election. The party, in a letter addressed to IEBC Chairman Ahmed Isaac Hassan, wants, among other documents, the booklet used to register retired President Mwai Kibaki. IEBC Voter Registration Director Immaculate Kasait told the tribunal that the voter registration acknowledgement slip that Kethi used to seek clearance was stolen from the booklet used to register Kibaki. By declaring that she was not a registered voter, IEBC Dispute Resolution Tribunal slammed the door on Kethi Kilonzo's candidature in the Makueni Senate race, and only a favorable ruling by the High Court can cause the reinstatement of her name in the ballot paper for the exercise scheduled for the 22nd of this month. Francis Gachuri, Citizen Live at 9, Nairobi.